Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you all fine and good. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Today my topic is all about what does insurance expire in USA? A few years of benefits coverage under the individual health and sure plan. The benefits year for plans bought inside or outside the marketplace being January 1 to each year and ends December 31 this same year. We're gonna click on this, or should we open these websites? You can see how to apply and enroll. So now we're gonna click on this. You can see it's important to pay your monthly health insurance premium in full of your insurance company, not the marketplace, by the due date. If you miss a monthly premium payment, your health insurance company would end your coverage. If you fall behind and insure monthly premiums before your insurance company and coverage, you have to short periods of time to pay, called a grace period. The premium payment, a grace period is usually 3 months. If you have both a marketplace plan and qualify for a premium tax credit, already paid at least one full month's premium during the benefits year. Now we can scroll down, as you can see the pop-up messages or strategies and the things. You don't make your premium payments for May. You have to know about the during process of your grace periods and July 31. If you have not paid your pay premium by July 31, you are lost coverage dating back to the last day of May. If you plan ends your coverage due to non-payments, if you think there was a mistake, you have the right appeal your health insurance company's decision. If you lost your coverage before mid-December of that year, you are not eligible to become automatically re-enrolled for the following year. You may be able to enrolling in the same plan later if it's still available and you are still eligible to the enrolling the marketplace plan. You will apply. We can scroll down. You can also connect from this. Now we can see the about us page. For more info, we're gonna click on for more info. You can see get ready to apply for your health coverage, apply of health coverage, how to apply, complicate preview health insurance, preview plans and price of health insurance. You can to enrolling in your change plans of the rest of this year. You need to qualify for a special enrollment period. You are check. Review health insurance plan and prices. To enroll in our change plans for the rest of this year, You need to qualify for a special enrollment period. Check if you qualify. You can preview plans and prices for this year based on your income. 2024 plans and prices will be available shortly before open enrollment starts November 1. How to get plans and personalized price statements, or you can see their resources. So enter your zip code and answer a few brief questions about your estimated income and household members. Get help estimating your income. You will find health insurance plans and estimated prices available to you. Premium estimates show any saving you qualify for based on basic information you entered. The actual marketplace application asks for more details. You will get exact price after you fill not out. Now we can click on this. So we can click on this, get help applying for health insurance. You can get health coverage for the rest of the year if you qualify for a special enrollment period due to a recent life event like losing other coverage, moving, getting married, or having a baby. Medicaid, the children's health insurance program, or based on estimated household income. Check if you qualify. Open enrollment for 2024 plan starts November 1. Get a quickly overview of the marketplace by phone. Marketplace call center. Call to ask a question. Start to finish an application. Compare plans or enroll. Available every day. Expect certain holidays. In person help in your community. Find local help. Search by your city and state or zip code to get a list of local people, organizations who can help you. Apply, pick a plan, and enroll. Some offer help in language other than English, than other specialized services or in person help. Health insurance agents and brokers can help you enroll through the marketplace or handle the whole process. Search for health insurance agents, brokers near you using the find local help to saving available only with marketplace coverage. No matter how helps, you can get premiums, tax credit, and other saving only if you enroll in a marketplace plan. If you qualify for saving, make sure your agent or broker knows to enroll in your marketplace plan. Learn prevent fraud. Learn how to protect yourself from fraud when you apply through the marketplaces. You can also enrollment from there. So I hope you all like my video. If you all like my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel or press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you all well